Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will let to show you the way how you can share the reels on Instagram on your WhatsApp story so that all of your friends on WhatsApp could see what you are seeing on your Instagram application. First thing, you just need to open your Instagram application, and the next you just need to find the reels that you want to share. You can do with this explore section, or you can also do with the reel section. Just tap one of them, and right after you found it, you just need to click into this icon. There could be several options pop up down here, so you just need to pick the way how you want to share it. If you want to share through WhatsApp, just go tap into this WhatsApp. And the next thing you need to do is just wait until the application is giving you a change, and then tap into my status right here and go click next. And the next thing you need to do is just go tap send, and then this account could be uploaded into your WhatsApp story super easy and instantly. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you still have some questions, just drop into the comment sections below, and don't forget to turn on the notification section for upcoming video. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other tutorial.